Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you and show you how you can add a link your bio in Twitter or X app. Friends, please subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to put your likes and also be sure to write your comments at the end of the video. So let us get started with you. Open the X app on your phone. Next, in the top left corner, tap on your image to go to the menu. Now select Profile, and next in the right-hand corner, you'll need to select Change Profile. And here you'll be able to see a section called Website. Click here. And here you can either click and hold to paste a link to a website that you've already copied. Or you can just take the name of a website and then click Save. And as you can see, you will have a link to the website. Friends, this is a very simple way to add a link to your Twitter bio. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please, friends, write your comments, give your likes, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you soon.